Daddy? Why does my stomach growl when I'm hungry?
After the food is digested, the stomach and small intestine will appear empty, but digestive juices are still secreted. Blood sugar is too low. Then the feeling of hunger appears. The muscles of the stomach and intestines contract, pushing the digested food of the previous meal down to the large intestine. The sound is the sound of water, air and food being pushed down through a small exit. This unpleasant contraction signals us that it is time for the stomach to need more food.
Yes. I understand. Dad,